Disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. Use a 10mm wrench. Loosen up the nut. Slide that off and out of the way. Take the cover off the positive side. Take this nut off. Use a 12mm socket. Just grab this cable and slide it out of the way. You can take this nut off. Use a 12mm socket as well. And slide this off, out of the way. Disconnect this cable underneath here. Slide that off. Just try to slide that out. And just take a wire brush. Just clean this up a little bit. Same with right here. And also right here. Now we can slide this cable over here first and reconnect these connectors. Make sure you lock those in place. And slide over there. And slide that one over there. And put these nuts on. Snug these down. Just make sure, if you have to double check that terminal, make sure that's tight. And put this cover on and lock it down. Take the negative terminal, line that up, and snug it down with the wrench. And double check, make sure it's nice and tight.